Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use video call on Bigo Live. It's a pretty easy and basic thing to do, so just follow the guide. First of all, open up the Bigo Live mobile application and log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, what you can do is at the bottom mid, you should be able to find that video option. Simply tap on that video option. Once you tap on that media option, you can see that it's going to show you to allow you to do a video call on, and that is how you can easily do video call on Bigo Live. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.